Hello Aquarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is your August the 4th and August the 6th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what only yours, no? So, kung hinahanap niyo po yung X-Files na segment, no? Dito po sa YouTube, nilipat ko na po siya sa Facebook. Yung X-Files lang naman. So, if you still care about your exes and you want some updates, doon po, no? Sa Facebook. Kasi baka ako po malintikan, no? Nag-aaway-away dito sa YouTube. Kasi may mga tao nga naman na gustong bumalik or inaantay yung kanilang exes, no? Meron naman pong mga ibang tao na you should move on, blah, 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 you don't deserve that. Siyempre, kung ano-ano din yung sinasabi, nasasaktan din naman yung kabila, no? Yung nag-aantay, yun, nagkakasagutan. Baka ako pa itong malintikan. So, para lahat in peace, no? Pati ko nadamay or madadamay, no? And so, our damage control, no, is ilipat para nasa isang bubble, no? Nasa Facebook yung mga at least nagkakaintindihan na they're waiting for their exes. Ayan. So, magsimula na tayo, ha? Wala pong away. Aquarius. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang merong iniisip yata nito, let's say, si person A and person B. Person A, it could be you. It could be you, the person B. You can switch the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic. So, si person A, sabi ni person A dito, bakit parang pakitang tao itong mga moods, no, ni person B. Parang I'm not buying it. So, probably, sabihin natin mataas ang trust issues, no, ni person A. Pero parang there's something off, no? Baka naman din sobrang bait and I'm not really buying it, no, na wala naman taong ganitong kabait, no? Baka first time maka-experience din ito ni person A naman na talagang generous or mabait lang talaga. Pero kasi si person A, ang taas ng gift niya when it comes to intuition, eh, no? Parang minsan lang pumapalya si person A about sa mga kutob-kutob. Parang hindi ako naniniwala sa mga sinasabi or mga ipinapakita nito ni person B, no? So parang ganun yung bottom line. With the Five of Cups, the Chariot, the Knight of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Death card. Hindi rin ako naniniwala na dun ito pumunta. So, ayan. There are doubts. Probably person A is also thinking na my person's lying to me, no? Bakit kasi bigla-bigla yung mga decisions, hindi ako na-inform, napag-usapan naman yan, pero bakit biglang may mga changes, ba't nabigla, naiba yung schedule, bakit may sense of urgency. Hindi naman siya ganun ka, yung ka-emergency para mabago natin yung schedule agad-agad, no? So parang pinag-iisipan ni person A. Well, let's see. Kasi wala pa naman. Yun kasi yung dominant energies. I feel like someone here, person A, also spying, no? Whether it is checking the person's social media account, may mga naka-follow ba dito, may kinakausap ba to, no? May tinitingnan yung mga likes, no? Yung mga hearts, yung mga comment section, ayan. Tinitignan yung mga friends, no? Pinag-check. Knight of Swords, Ten of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang nahihirapan, merong suffocation si person B. Um, Naku, parang medyo may conflict. So, there's actually an energetic separation, no, with the Six of Cups and the Hermit card. So, for a few numbers of you, the conflict here is jealousy. The conflict can also be that hindi na masyadong ganun ka-fluid itong pag-uusap. Someone is missing the old connection, no? Um, Five of Cups is clarified by the Sun and the Three of Cups. Especially kapag umaalis or laging sinasabi, nandun ako kay ganito or sa barkada, ganyan-ganyan. Siguro sinusundan din, no, in literal form, no? Baka kasunod nga, no, nasa taxi, nasa Grab, nakamotor. Queen of Wands, the Justice, the Queen of Swords. Wow. Kasi the oracle cards, ang pinupunto niya dito is the emotion, the feeling of person A. Although may truth sa sinasabi ni person B, nandun nga siya, ano yung pinagpupuputok ng butchi ni person A? The Eight of Swords and the Five of Wands. So parang hindi kasi kita pinapayagan. So, merong sense of control, meron ding sense of parang ownership na sa akin ka lang, no? Or sabihin natin, I don't like your friends. You know, as simple as that. Ayoko yung mga kaibigan mo, ayoko yung mga kasama mo. I feel like they're bad influence to you, no? With the King of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. So I feel like ang hindi dito, kumbaga ang issue dito, nangangako, sige hindi ako doon pupunta, sige hindi na ako makikipagkita. Pero parang palihim na ginagawa ni person B. So mas naiinis si person A. Parang kay person B, wala ka namang basis sa mga sinasabi mo, no? And I know them for quite a while. So ito ngayon si person A, ayoko nga, 'di ba? Ayoko nga. So sino mas pipiliin mo? So parang feeling ngayon ni person A, mas pinipili itong friends, no? I'm seeing a small group of people in here that person A doesn't want person B to mingle with. It could be friends, cousins, no? Um, I feel like hindi naman immediate family. Well, siguro yung small percentage. At nangyayari lang yon if in case mag-asawa na, no? Yung parang, ay, naku, yung kapatid mo, blah, blah, blah. So, may mga bad mouthing din. But I feel like hindi maiwasan nito ni person B na hindi pumunta, hindi magpakita, no? Kaya gumagawa ng excuses. And I feel like yun yung kinakainis ngayon nito ni person A to a point na kailangan pang sundan, kailangan pang i-check, no? So, may inis factor talaga. And ang sinasabi lang dito ni person B, kailan ba tayo babalik sa yung full trust na binibigay mo sa akin katulad ng dati, no? So let's check here the emotion. Your person A's emotion or person B's emotion, no? Let's see. Will you help me? And you have to be patient. So parang nakikita ko naman may mga promises dito. Yes, I made a promise, no, sabi ni person B. Pero I can't do it sa isang biglaan. Baka may sinisingil ako, baka kailangan ko pa yung connection, no? Meron ditong hindi klaro. Si person B hindi klaro na bakit ayaw mo. Si person A hindi klaro bakit hindi mo mapigilan, no? Na hindi pumunta at hindi magpakita. Iyon. So, yun ang issue. So, tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra. I'm seeing Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, ang dominant ng Scorpio, no? Tsaka ng Virgo, Cancer din. Yan, so this is your reading, Aquarius. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po ng sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that's Babaylan TV. Ayan, kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung gusto nyo rin po, no, na i-check pa, no, at hindi kayo masatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababang baba, nandun po yung question form, no? Nandun din yung information how much per question, nandun din po yung QR code, name, number for your reference, no? And I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan. Paki-check na lang, may mga label naman yung QR codes, no? So, Aquarius, I mean, tuloy pa rin ang manhunt, no? Yung mga fake accounts, nandun pa rin po siya sa description box. Please, 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 paki-report, screenshot yung report and send it to the designated email for you to for you to have a chance to win itong ating raffle entry, no, ng free personal reading, and I mean it. That's actually free of charge. If you still care about your exes, doon po, no, doon na lang sa Facebook, no, para hindi po nagkakagulo. Ayan. So, Facebook is Babaylan TV. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.